Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be giving you guys some spoilers for Boxycharm for the month of November of 2019. Also, I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner. Someone in this video is going to win the Violet Voss Essentials palette. There was a total of 60 entries both on my channel and the second entry over on Instagram, so I'm pretty excited to pick a winner. So if you guys want to see spoilers, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see who wins this giveaway video, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So you guys, let me know in the comments down below, am I giving you Mort Rainey vibes in this look today? If you guys don't know who Mort Rainey is, it's a character played by Johnny Depp in the movie Secret Window. I love that movie. It's been one of my favorites pretty much since I was really young. It's just a really cool movie. So if you haven't seen Secret Window, you need to watch it. It has Johnny Depp in it, and it's just a really cool thriller. And yeah, I just feel like Shooter right now. So anyways, if you guys understand what I'm talking about, comment down below so you guys are, you know, in the know. So we're going to start out by telling you guys about the Boxycharm spoilers. So you need to mark your calendar. They put up a little calendar to let you know that the add-ons plus your choice of a product is going to be out on the 7th, so that would be tomorrow. So from the 7th, 8th, and 9th, that is your choice and add-ons window. So a lot of people didn't get to choose this time around because they didn't know that the choice was open yet, and they missed out on the opportunity. So you guys be aware, tomorrow it opens up. Get to it and choose your product. I'm going to be telling you what products you can choose from, which I am so stoked. I already know what I'm going to be choosing. Actually, I have 2 Boxycharm subscriptions, so I can choose both, but I kind of want 2 of one, honestly. So the product choices is a Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, or the, I think it's pronounced Kypris Beauty Antioxidant Dew Serum. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, but these are the choices. You can pick either or, but Juice Beauty I am aware of, and I know that's a very expensive, nice brand, and I need anti-wrinkle eye treatment like yesterday, so I might get 2 of those instead of trying the other one, just because I need that, and it's such a good brand. I want it. Okay y'all, so this next spoiler is literally like fire, so you guys are not ready for this, but first I want to tell you about promo codes. So a lot of you are not aware of promo codes when you subscribe to Boxycharm, or if you've canceled Boxycharm and you want to resubscribe. Every month they have a new promo code that you can put in when you're checking out to get a free product. This month you can get either the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette or the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette, each valued at $45. Now, I'm not sure if when you put the promo in, you get to pick or choose which one you get, or if they just randomly select that for you. But either way, these are really, really good. And the box starting in November is going to be $25. But if you do want to sign up right now for the box of September and you want to see spoilers of what's coming in that box, and you want to get this because this is only going to be available for the month of September, or no, October. Did I say September? I meant October. I forget what month we're in, but obviously I'm dressed for the month of October. But anyways, if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, you can do it now until the end of this month, and you'll be getting everything that people have talked about for the spoilers for October. You'll be getting items in that box, plus the promo of the Tarte palette, whichever one that you get. Just put in the promo code TRICK or TART in the promo section, and if you do go through my referral link, or if you just sign up at all and you want to say which one is your favorite blogger or whatever, it would just tickle me to death if you put me down just to let them know that I sent you. But yeah, that's about it. And what I really like about this month's promo code is that either palette you get is valued at $45. So the box is only $21 for the rest of this month, and then in November it'll switch to $25, but this is already double the price of the box. So if you just wanted this palette or the other one, you get that, plus all the other amazing things coming in the box this month. You're getting a Dose of Colors palette, Juice Beauty or Smashbox. There's a lot of good stuff in here for the month of October, so you are going to be disappointed unless you get the tweezers, because I don't want those stinking tweezers in my box this month. But anyways, let's get back to November spoilers. This one is, like I said, fire. I'm pretty excited. Well, technically Thunder. This is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. It's specifically made for Boxycharm, but it looks like it's maybe a mini version of her new Celestial Storm palette, which I am like into those shades and I kind of want to buy it. But now I'm like, I want to play with the one that's going to be coming in Boxycharm. I assume everyone will get it, but I'm not really sure, and I'm also not sure if this is going to be a base box product or if they're going to have it as the new premium box. I don't think anybody has even like heard yet if they have been accepted into the premium box yet. I signed up for it and I'm still like waiting to see if I'm on the wait list or if I got accepted. So if you guys know anything about that, please let me know in the comments below. So that is the spoilers so far that we have for the November Boxycharm of 2019. I know this is like a really long video, but I apologize. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the giveaway part of this video. So like I said, I'm kind of vibing with Mort Rainey right now from Secret Window. So like Secret Window, Secret Hat. I actually have everyone that entered the giveaway in here. It's in my hat right now. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna pull the hat off and randomly select a name, and whoever I select is gonna win the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Let me go get it. Hold on, I don't even have it out. Like, what am I doing? Okay, so here's the palette that you're gonna be winning today in this video. I'm so excited. It's literally so pretty. I did a look using these two shades and this shade and this shade. In this shade. But I really like this and the formula is so good. So I am so excited for whoever wins this palette. Oh my god. Okay, so let's stop like blabbering. Like, shut up, Connor. What are you doing? Let's go ahead and see who's gonna win this palette. I'm so excited. Okay, who is ready? Click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's see who wins. Okay. And don't judge my hair when I take this off. I hope this works out. Okay. We're just gonna pick a name. Are you fuck? Oh my god. You guys are not gonna believe whose name I literally just picked. This is insane. I talk to her like every freaking day. Oh my god, I can't believe she won. She won out of my head. Are you kidding me right now? Like, girl, I cannot believe you just won my freaking giveaway. I'll clean this mess up later. Oh my god, I'm like shocked that I pulled her out. Like, this is insanity. Okay, so congratulations, Caitlin. Wow. You're the winner. That's fabulous. Wow. Okay, so lucky winner, Caitlin. She won the Violet Voss palette. Here you go, girl. I hope you enjoy. Obviously, this one's mine. You're gonna get your own. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Hold on, let's do like some special effects right now. This might look really stupid, but like, bear with me. Okay, I just really wanted to do that because like, you know, I can't do that with leaves anymore outside, even though it's like fall time, it's beautiful. I will get allergies like so bad and I'll be sick for like 2 weeks, I swear to you. So anyways, thank you guys to everyone who entered my giveaway. Don't forget, I'm gonna have lots more in the future. I'm so excited. But yes, that's about it. And I don't really know what else to say. But I do want to mention that I love this lip color. Okay, I got this in my Jeffree Star mystery box for Valentine's Day, and it's the shade Medusa, and I was like, I hate this shade, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. But like, I think it's because my hair was so dark I didn't like it, but now that my hair's lighter, it looks just so good on me, and I'm like, I really like it. And then I used the Makeup Revolution, the Sophia Extra Spice palette on my eyes, and then I used the Honey, one of the shades as an inner corner highlight, and I'm just like loving this whole entire look that I have going on. And the hat like matches my lipstick, and I did something crazy with my highlighter. I don't know, I'm just feeling this whole entire look today. My FabFitFun box necklace, this shirt. Where did I get this shirt? I don't even remember where I got this. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Again, thank you for everyone that entered. Lots more giveaways coming up. I kind of want to do a Halloween giveaway because I am gonna try and get the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, so I might do a giveaway with that. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, comment down below, and all of that jazz. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!